So here's how to fix Roblox not installing on Windows PC. First, you will need to right click on the Windows icon and then click on Run. And in here, you'll need to type %local app data % followed by backslash and then temp and then press enter. And in here, you should look for Roblox folder. Now right click the Roblox folder and click on delete. Then you'll need to close this and then go again, right click and open the run. And in here, you'll need to remove the slash and temp, only local app data between % signs. Now click OK. And in here, you should look for Roblox folder again. Then double click on the Roblox, go to versions. And now you'll need to find the most recent version by simply checking the date modified or clicking on it to sort by the latest date or the oldest date. So for example, this one right here, 4/9/2025, is the oldest version. So this one here is old because the arrow is going up. You can click it again to go down. So this will bring the most recent version, which is this. Double click on it and then try to run Roblox from here simply by double clicking the Roblox installer. Now, if you can't find the Roblox player installer in here, what you can do is go back and check the other version. And you can run Roblox player installer from here. Now, if it works, that should solve the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is go back to the Roblox folder again in the local app data and completely remove it. And now you'll simply need to open Microsoft App Store or go to the browser and type roblox.com/download. You can either download it from here or download it from the Microsoft App Store by searching Roblox and then clicking on it to install it. And now once you reinstall it again, you should run it as admin by right clicking Roblox player and then run as admin, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.